Right, so welcome back to my channel, guys. Twigs T4. I'm Matt. This is my van, my camper van, and today we're just going to have a quick review of the Dometic CRX50. Purchased this from Just Campers because I got my insurance with them. I got 10% discount, so it only cost me £500, cheaper than what you can get it on from other sites. So, starters, it has a vent mode, so we keep it in vent mode when it's not being used. And you can see it just leaves a little gap all the way down, just so when it's not in use it's not going to go all smelly inside. Right, so let's open that and let's have a look inside the fridge. At the moment the fridge is off. I've just turned it off just for demonstrations, but this is how you turn it on with this button here, and that's that turning on. You can hear the compressor fire up, the blue light to say that the compressor's running. Now the compressor's just stopped running, it's going to go orange. There we go, it goes orange as soon as it stops. We've got a flashing red light here at the top, so one flashing red light means a low voltage circuit, so that's my leisure battery is run flat. So I've been running the fridge since we got back from Santa Pod from Bug Jam 33. We got back Sunday night, maybe about 11 o'clock in the evening. I've had it running since. I haven't turned the fridge off until just to do this video, and it's now Tuesday mid-afternoon, so it's been running for about 40 hours on a little leisure battery. So that's really good. We've got the split charger running. However, when we were there on the early bird pass on Thursday, it was almost 40 degrees, so it was flashing 5 times that red light, and that was because it was too hot. The fridge unit, the electronics got too hot, so all I done was I've got this little door here. We open this, and this is where all my electrics is. This is where my control panel will be on the front here. I have a control panel here, but I had to open this, and the heat in there was incredible, even with the ventilations around the sides and back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little vent, a little air vent along the back here in the unit, just to let some of the heat escape. Make sure you check out my subscribe to see my upcoming videos of when we get this control panel fitted. So JVS Auto Electrics, they will be doing my electrics. They've already just started, made a start on it. I've got my split charger in there at the back. They temporarily wired in my fridge just so I could use it for Bug Jam. But the control panel will have all the buttons and switches for the sink, fridge, the electric spark on the cooker. Going to have the solar panels fitted. We have quite a lot fitted, so make sure you subscribe to see that. And if there's anything else, all the things that I have done, I've got a swivel seat based safe, which is actually really handy. Comes in really handy at places like Bug Jam. You can lock all your stuff away, it's not going to get robbed. But yeah, make sure you check out all my other videos, have a look at my channel. You might like it, might find a lot of it informative, because most of it is informative. There is a couple of videos of us going away. Hopefully there'll be a few more of us going away. I've still got video coming up for Bug Jam 33, so that should be quite good. But yeah, this fridge works really well. I mean, even with the low voltage battery, the compressor's still kicking in, it's still keeping the fridge cold, everything's still cold in there. And my wine stayed cold all weekend, so that was good. Let's turn it off. Oh, we do have, this is how to change the settings on it, so you can make it cold. That's the coldest setting that it has. It's all in the manual, but being a bloke, I didn't bother reading the manual, I just winged it. And then you hold this button here, and it puts it into fast cooling mode. But if you do this, you can keep it in that mode. You need to take out this door and this shelf. It just slides out nice and easy. Right, let's turn that off now because demonstration purposes are over. Let's put this into vent mode. So that's into vent mode, and that will just keep it nicely open. Yeah, so kids, eh? Right, check out all my other videos. Leave a comment if there's anything that I've missed out or anything that you need to know, want to know. Subscribe to see everything that's coming up. adventures, travels, my electrics, that's going to be a big one, and hopefully see all you guys soon. Take care.